Welcome everyone to the first lecture of Business English about banks. In this video, we're going to talk about 4 points. 1. Definition of bank. 2. Objectives of bank. 3. Functions of bank. 4. Bank and finance in Algeria. Let's begin by the definition of bank. Historically, banks have been the main supplier of credit in emerging market economies. Banks play a very important role in the country's economy. Different authors and economists have given some structural and functional definitions of bank from different angles. In general, the bank is a financial institution which deals with debit and credit. It lends, accepts, and deposits money. Bridge the gap between the lenders and the borrowers. Banks are not only dealing with money, but are also producers of the money. I continue to mention some of the objectives that banks seek to achieve, including to establish as an institution for maximizing profits, to motivate people for investing money with a view to bring solvency in them, to build up capital through savings, to expedite investment, to extend services to the customer, and to maintain economic stability by means of controlling money market. Banks carry out a variety of functions. For its customer, it operates saving and checking accounts. It offers loans, exchange money. With a familiar saving account, the customer can save money and earn interest, also deposit and withdraw money. So that's the background on banks and its functions. This leads me directly to the next point, which is banks and finance in Algeria. As you can see, the banking and financial Algeria landscape is clearly diversified last years. Its structure comprises 2 levels. Level 1, the central bank having a significant capacity of regulation and control of banking. Level 2, financial bank and establishments carrying on the activities of bank, collect, deposit of the public and management of the means of payment. The statutes of the central bank are defined by the Ordinance 0311 of the 26th of August 2003, which replaces Law 9010 of the 14th of April 1990. The central bank, called Bank of Algeria (BA), is a national establishment equipped with a legal entity and financial autonomy. With the Bank of Algeria, we reach the end of the video. More details about the lecture can be found on the Moodle platform. Thank you so much for watching.